What's up, everybody? What's up, everybody? What's up? Man, I'm in Tahoe. I ain't driven it in a while. Let's see what's going on for open her up on the interstate. I'm barely tapping on it and all that. Speed limit over here is 45, going about 40 right now. Just cruising it. Today is Sunday. It's a beautiful, beautiful day, man. Beautiful day. I driven the old Merc the other day and all that. I love driving that car. I wanted to drive this Tahoe, give it some love and all that. So earlier it was just raining, and the ground is pretty dry. The area where I was at was raining. It's so interesting how it rains in one area, and then when you go through another area, say you like 5 minutes, maybe a mile down the road, it's like dry, completely dry. So freaking cool. Man, let me know if y'all got any cars that y'all drive that brings you know, some type of joy and all that. It might not be all the way put together or anything, but let me know if y'all got any cars that y'all enjoy. I'm so appreciative of what I have. This Tahoe right here, the Merc, the Porsche. I'm so appreciative of it. So appreciative. Shoot, thought about getting like new cars and stuff, but you know, them cars that you have for a long period of time and stuff, it'd be hard to give away and all that. Let me know if y'all got some cars and stuff. If y'all working on a car or, you know, driving and all that, appreciate it and all that, man. You got a car to drive and all. I think I'm gonna stop on it just a little bit. People around and stuff, so I'm just trying to be very cautious and all that. Just finna get on the interstate and all that. Tap on it a little bit, but be cautious for other people and all that, you know. Don't want to do anything crazy. I just want to get on a little bit, like, you know how you got that one particular car that either sounds so good or just got that little nice push. It's a good feeling and all that. Anyway, if this car can go, green light. Give me some space. Anyway, I'm finna merge. Man, it's so beautiful, man. Half throttle. Now I'm in full throttle right here. Man, boy, these cars merging on the lane so slow. like, man, if I get smaller tires on this truck, it's gonna make a night and day difference. Do something with the rear diff and all that, because everything is like stock. Everything pretty much. Still on the base tune and all that. Oh, the light will. Alright guys, we're gonna get back on the interstate over there. Hit on it, man, because I'm about to park my car, so I gotta get home. I got stuff I gotta take care of, but I had to do it, man. I had to drive the truck out. I think it will turn red. Alright, we're finna get on we're going about half throttle. So satisfying and all that. Guys, we're gonna do one more loop around. So I went on one end, coming back down for they go back on, and then go from there. Everything's still looking good. Trans temp looking good. Everything's still looking good. Let me show y'all real quick. Oil pressure, I do want to get like a oil pressure pump and all that. Sometimes these oil pressure sensors can go out and stuff sometimes. Anyway, yeah, as you can see, we are like 210. We are looking good. Mind y'all, this is for the fans right here, and then this is for my trans. Then we got the AME gauge right here. Got the trans temp gauge, and then we got our fuel pump gauge right here. Then we got the boost gauge and all that right here. You know, just basic setup and stuff, not too crazy or anything. Alright guys, we're finna get back on, and then we finna head home or whatever, and then just go from there. I was gonna go on this other road where they got like a good tunnel and stuff like that. He trying to show off and all that. Oh man, he trying to. Does it feel good like when you do something with your hands and all that? Like you can enjoy it. Doing this truck, man, I learned a lot of stuff. Like with if y'all go back, if y'all look at my videos, man, I was having a little hard time like with the fuel pump before, and I had people help me out and stuff. That was very interesting. And what else I had troubles with? I had some trouble with something, but I've been driving this truck fine as is and stuff. I mean, it's been like 2 months or so I haven't driven it, maybe 4, even longer. Usually I always going somewhere, doing something else, work, or you know, just doing anything else. I feel like if I really want to get this truck where I want it at, I feel like I need to lower it down. If I can lower the truck, get some smaller tires and stuff, we're gonna be a-okay. We're gonna be straight. But anyway, we're finna go on the interstate and all that, and just go from there and see what's what. So right now I'm approaching. much space now. Addictive and all that. So addictive. Everything's still looking good so far. Anyway, guys, it's gonna be pretty much it. It's gonna be pretty much it. Stay tuned for more. I do want to get some footage of the turbo and all of that. That'd be pretty cool. But anyway, man, I hope you have a good one. I hope y'all enjoying life and all that. Whatever car you're driving, whatever you're working on and stuff, you know, be appreciative. Have fun with it. That's really pretty much it, man. Alright, guys, so we made it to our designated spot and all that. I'm just letting everything cool down. Normally when you have a turbo setup and stuff, you don't automatically turn it off or whatever. Sorry, trans tent right there. Alright, guys, so I do want to get an intake so we get some cold air going in straight. I feel like we just got a lot of hot air just going in that turbo and all.